Hey guys, so I'm still here at Hoi An and may napansin ako dito sa labas ng barbershop. And I have to make a confession. One of the nasty habits I have is that I'm a serial ear cleaner. I mean, I clean my ears more than once a day. I know it's not good for you, but I do it because I have to. It's like I feel this compulsion to do it. So now I'm going into this barbershop to have my ears professionally cleaned by a barber. It's the first time that I'm going to do that. Maybe it will relax me a bit, or also probably, I don't know. I hope it'll help alleviate my need to clean my ears, because I constantly feel that there's something there. It's always itchy, and we'll see what's going to happen after this session. So the barber just finished another session with another gentleman, and I'm glad to see that he sanitized the equipment, sprayed it with alcohol and wiped it down. That's good enough for me. Alright, we're gonna start. As you can see, he's well equipped. He has a light, he has a headlamp there, and he has all these things, brushes, a pick, and yeah, so it's gonna be interesting. Okay, he just took a look inside my ear. I don't know what he saw, but may nararamdaman ko like a scraping sensation inside my ear. I didn't spray anything like something to dissolve the earwax. I don't know. Make soften it a bit, but let's see if he gets anything out. I'm always thinking my ears are so clean because I like poke my ears twice, at least twice a day. So he's using an assortment of instruments.
10 chiếc điện mà chiến nhưng mà mình đặt trước thì mỗi người nó có 800, còn mình bó người.
Đường bo đường bóng không có tua đâu mất đâu.
Thế
Đường bo đường bóng không có tua luôn.
ai mùng 1 với mùng 5
Em kiếm tua
rồi
bo.
thằng Sài Gòn tôi biết là mùng 2 với mùng 3. Đúng rồi đi trồng quanh.
So yeah, my ears are
Không có anh nhờ em ơi.
not that dirty. That's reassuring. So that was a very unique experience, and I actually don't mind repeating it. Even though he didn't get anything from my ear, I felt like it was a safer way to have my ears cleaned of stuff that you don't want to be there. And now I think I have hyperacusis because of my newly cleaned ears.